everybody, it's Connie Stewart with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Welcome to a brand new Tuesday tip. Hey, today we're going to talk about how to create nice rounded edges on your cards. So I had a viewer the other day say, I don't have a corner rounder punch. What can I do? Well, you know what? I actually have a couple different methods that you can do at home, easy peasy, and you don't need anything fancy. In fact, it's probably some products you already have laying around. So are you ready to learn how to create some nice rounded edges? All right, let's get started. To create your own quick rounded edges, guys, you just need either a nail buffing block or a nail file. I prefer the buffing block. Let me show you why. So what I'm going to do, let's say I want just a nice rounded little tiny, I want to take the harsh corners off. You know what I mean. We're just going to take that buffing block and just kind of remove that harsh corner. You see how it's just a nice narrow little corner round. So I can make it as narrow or as wide as I want. So there's just a nice one. You notice here on the other side, it's also nice and smooth. So let me show you what it's like here with the nail file. Again, it's just like doing your nails. We're just going to go back and forth around until we get the rounded look that we need. Now, there's those little fuzzies that you sometimes get. So just sand them right off with the nail file. So you see this one, I'm making a much rounder edge. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now let's say you want a really nice big rounded edge. I've just got a simple circle punch. This is a 1-inch circle punch. I'm going to draw myself a little line. I'm going to cut that off, but you guys know as well as I do, it's really hard to cut a circle or a rounded image straight. I know I can't, but look at this. We can just kind of come in and buff it out, straighten it up, get any little harsh edges. And look at that. Boom! We have a really nice wide circle corner. And there you have it. So either a nail file or a nail buffing block, you're going to be able to create those great rounded edges without a lot of effort. Now, my personal preference really has to be the nail buffing block. I feel like I have better control and I feel like I don't get those little fuzzies on the edge. So I prefer this. Now, where to get this? Guys, just about anywhere that sells nail polish and nail polish remover, you're going to be able to find these there. I'm telling you, I use this little block on my desk all the time. You can see mine's well loved. I've used it a lot because I also use it if I just have a rough edge on a cardstock. I can use it to kind of buff that out. It's amazing. Sometimes we just need something to do a little buffing. But I got to tell you, I think rounding my own corners is my #1 tip. I hope you guys enjoyed that one today. If you did, be sure to give me a like. Be sure to subscribe. And hey, if you liked it, share it please with a crafting friend. I'd appreciate it. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.